guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing another exciting challenge with my friend Tanania, Miss Shop Necessities, the boss of Shop Necessities. If you guys don't know Shop Necessities, it's here in Kingston, Jamaica. Yes, yeah. So yeah, she got some of the dopest styles and in fashion. So go ahead and check it out. Anyway, so today she's gonna be my makeup artist. I'm her makeup artist, but today she's gonna be my makeup artist. You ever done a body face before?
No.
So how you feel about this?
I feel very stressed.
Why?
No,
guys, she was so excited about doing this video. So excited. I can't believe it. Anyway, so go ahead. She's gonna tell you guys exactly what she's doing. She's gonna create a look for me. So we're gonna see what she's gonna do. So let's get started.
Okay, I'm gonna cleanse my hands first. No, I lie. Yeah, I cleanse my hands first. I'm gonna cleanse Suan's face now. If you ever make no face to the people, let me see.
Me, just do your thing. This is weird.
Girl, I can't believe.
Never
Okay.
time.
So now we're gonna put on some primer. We're using the Cover FX blurring primer. I sell clothes for a living. This is not this is not. But here we go. Ready. So guys.
I want one.
Should I edit out this
There's
here?
a finger of a thing.
Oh. No, my fingernail tall.
You
Sis.
can't see, you never see me use our language.
Sis, you do this for a living. Okay, so we're just gonna rub it into her skin.
And what does this do?
Blurs. It's primer, guys.
Okay.
So it's supposed to blur her pores and just allow the makeup to just look flawless. Because I'm already gonna do a good job. It's already gonna be flawless, but this is just gonna help it a little bit. So we're rubbing some on her cheeks. Swana, you're an oily person?
No, more like a combination.
Combination, perfect.
Yes.
So let me rub it on your nose.
Okay.
Nose bridge.
Okay.
So I think it's rubbed in now, guys.
Alright.
So I'm gonna start with her brows first. Okay, wait. Still see a little bit. Okay, good. Oh, Swana, you have beautiful skin.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome. So guys, brows ready. All right. So this is the Sister Brow Perfecting Pencil. So we're just combing out her brows a little bit, guys. So I could have shaved her eyebrow then before you come.
Just go on, man.
Yes, stressful. So I'm just lining the bottom to give myself a little base. Okay, guys, and I'm doing the top.
So like she knows she had love. So how much you charge for your face?
Just 6,000.
6,000?
Yeah.
How long you been doing this?
Since 2014. Stop it. Stop. You're distracting me.
Guys, you know the funny story?
Guys, you're trying to distract me.
You know the funny story?
I don't want to hear.
No, man, a true story.
I saw me chat no funny at my face?
No, alright.
Tell a story, cause it look like if you're not tell a story in your
Alright, guys, you see, when we used to do promotions together,
oh my God.
I remember we went to Dream Week. We went to Dream Weekend once, and them time them, I didn't know nothing about makeup, and yo, Mr. Tanina eyebrow them, and them look so neat. Them time that the eyebrow thing just come in, eyebrow started to become a thing. And she did the concealer or something.
Years
ago. And I was like, yo, oh, you do that?
Years ago.
And she's like, oh, me just use this. And she showed me. And I said, oh, God, if me could have only do that. And
if only did know it?
Yeah. Them time there, guys, they say my definition of natural makeup was like some bold blue eyeshadow and some bulk. Them time I watch YouTube.
But them time they never used to wear foundation?
No, never.
They used to just concealer?
Yeah, and powder, always.
She make it look like I want big story she never tell them, no?
No, we didn't have to tell them. Bruh,
So,
life is so funny.
Come turn that way, mama, make sure it's it.
Just don't like she do this all the time. You should never practice at home. Alright.
I was not practicing.
Alright.
Swan. Guys, you know I could have drawn a better line, but my nails tall and I can't.
So I was thinking, I wonder if you can give me like a cut crease. No, alright, but
Sister, not bother with it. For your 6 grand, you're pushing it. Right here.
I just the brows in the pants still.
Look here, lady, you don't know my process. Suppose me to start with the eyeshadow first. If you didn't want cut crease. So guys, we're doing the top part now. Top part of the eyebrow. Good job, good job.
You heard her tell herself good job.
Give yourself some encouragement, you know.
I think you need it.
Is what I must do next. I think if it was someone, should I do my should I do next? Should I do my eyeshadow? Alright guys. So I still
The eyeshadow?
Jesus. Alright. Should I do my highlights? No, should I put on my
Wait,
here?
so you not pay attention when I do your face?
I'm doing the highlight.
The highlights?
Like I do her foundation first, guys. Yes.
Alright, go on through.
I don't like them clients here.
A fear spot like this.
This client, I would never work with her again. This client is very unruly. Let's go.
Wow.
Ready? Yes. Wow, and this is the Fenty Beauty, guys. Pro filter, yeah?
Right.
So rub it into the earlobes and under the chin. We have to ensure that the foundation.
That's a nothing.
We need to ensure that the foundation gets everywhere, okay? So we're just using the beauty blender now to just blend it nicely into her skin. Okay, I get to do what I'm doing.
Want a bad up share give me people. I can't manage. No, Sam, not book you again.
Liar tell. Best makeup this year I ever get. So we're gonna move on now to her concealer. Ready. Party time after this, you know, ready for God. Yes.
And which party I keep?
No. Lucky eye.
Then up me feel look up. Alright, let me lock the eye.
Lucky eye till I tell you to look up.
Alright.
Not look up in time yet.
Look up in time.
If you ever make my concealer dry up, you see, before we finish. Worst client ever. Here we are. We just want to blend out the concealer under her eyes. I want to make her nose look slim. So I'm going to do like a concealer down her nose and a little on her eyebrows, okay? I mean, on her forehead. So we just do like a thin line. The African princess line up her nose. And then we just give her 3 little strokes over her forehead. I want her forehead to glow. Do a little right here too. Right. Never too much concealer.
Where you get that from?
Fire! Let's go. Amazing. Yeah, girl. Want her to appear that she have white people nose.
White people know.
Don't forget to like and subscribe under this. And then if your face mess up, your hair is me.
Come, sorry.
And turn on the bell notification.
Whoa,
so
you
anytime
know
I watch these very regular.
What?
So when we upload a video, you guys can be the first to know. Right, okay?
The face here most pretty because long you blend look concealer.
Look here, lock your eye, you know. Because you have too much to say. So we're using the Laura Mercier. Is this a user? Guys, she want me to fail so badly.
Read the stuff.
She want me to fail. Okay, see the one I'm looking for here. Right, guys. So we're setting the other side. You have sinus? Try my best.
Okay.
For future reference, just knock off a little bit more. Okay, now guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna just give her a light contour down her cheek under where we have the the setting powder there because we want to pop the cheeks. We want them to really be like, to look, this nice angle brush should just be like this down the side. Okay, guys, so we just a little bit, or just knocking off some. We don't want knock off too much. Ready. So we start from up in our temple and we just coming down and we just do it lightly back and forth. Can just use a little bit more. Right, back and forth from the temple and we just ensuring it goes right up into our hairline so it don't just start and stop abruptly. Right? And we're just gonna go ahead and just contour under the chin. Just a little brush, like a dusting right here. We just want our chin to just look, you know, chiseled. We just want this section here, we want the contour to pop. So we're just gonna go ahead and just lightly dust some of the Sacha Buttercup under it to just kind of bring it up. So here we go. So what we said, what we do to one side, we do to the other side. Here we have the Stellazzi Barbados blush palette. Jesus, the melody. But anyways, we're working with it. So let me just apply my base color to her lid and then I blend it out with some blue. So we're gonna go with the burgundy like what she's wearing. So we're using this one, Salsa. Cool. Should fit her really well. Let's go, guys. Ready? Close your eye. So here we are pressing, we're pressing, guys, pressing. Ensuring that the base, the lid gets a nice base. I'm gonna take no walk in, you know. Cause them walk in here full amount. Should them watch the things on YouTube, them feel like them know. Lucky eye, miss. Cause I don't know who send you here. Ready? Okay now. So I feel like we have a nice solid base. And we can go ahead now and just apply our crease color. I'm going to use this nice Stellazzi crease blender brush here. I'm going to just blend up in the crease here with this color here, sugar cane. Nice. Nice color. Let's go. So we're starting at the end and we're doing windshield wiper strokes. So we're going left to right, left to right, left to right. And we're just blending it out here in the crease. Left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right. Okay? Right, lovely. Amazing. Loving it so far. Wow. Yes, guys. And we blended it seamlessly into her crease. Okay, now. So we're going to do a little bit of, I'm going to put a little bit of this papaya in her corner there. Just to pop the corner a little bit. You see how that just pop it? See? I'm not sure if I can get a wing, you know, but I will try it. Wow, amazing. Okay, here we go. Wow, guys. Nice wing liner there. You see that? Ooh, popping. Yes. So we're just gonna lightly dust. Jesus. Dusting under her eyes. Lightly, guys. Just, you know. Flick of the wrist. Getting.
Not flick off the head. Flick off the wrist. Wow. I wish I laughed so far.
No issues. We have no issues. We have no issues. Fan brush. Let's go. Here we go, guys. So we just dust off the excess and then we just apply a little bit to our cheek. Wow, we just fan it out with a brush. We just kind of like light strokes. Yes, glow, honey. Love it. Artist Couture did their best with this powder here. Love it, guys. You could try it out, okay? We're gonna then just lightly brush like some of what was left on the brush over her forehead. We just want to give her like a little a little glow across the forehead, you know. Nice. So here we go. We're lining the top of her lip. We just want to really have no lip line, but we're going ahead I was just lining it there now, guys. Yes. Go along the bridge of her lip. Okay, now guys, so we're just gonna just go ahead and just rub it out a little bit, like make it look faded. She feel like me know me I do. I'm showing you tonight. Watch. Can use some gloss. We're using some gloss here, guys. No lipstick. We want a little, you know, a little glam look. And I don't not really a fan of lipstick. I'm more like a lip gloss. Let's go. Apply it to the center because we want it to look, you know, faded. So we apply it to the center here. And then, so we treat your teeth.
I don't know you're too strong.
Let's apply a little bit more because we want it to look juicy. Right? Lovely. So here we are now. We're going to apply some lashes. I'll be using the Lash Glam by Annie Beliza. Jesus. Okay, I'm just going to hold it here until it dries. Okay?
Serious?
Swan. Stop moving your head. It's just kind of like, you know, yeah, catch it. Spray now. Let me get my brush with my artist couture ready. So as I spray, I just apply it same time, right? Here we go. So just stand a little away from our face and go ahead. Please don't blink. Thank you. Yes, amazing. Just try, and we're going to go ahead and just apply some more of the artist couture to her cheeks. So she just get that pop when it dry. You want me to fan it a little bit? Sit here, girl. Give me a help you. I have good time. This is silent through the whole makeup. So guys, we're just allowing the setting spray to dry. Here we go. Here we go. Wonderful. Wow, look at that glow. Amazing. Right, guys? I can just tap it in a little bit to the fat part of this. Yes. Right. Here we go. Here we go now. Right. We're in business here, guys. We're just pressing in the glow a little bit.
So, we can look now?
Certainly. You want to have this mirror here?
Yeah.
One. Let's joke here.
She don't do too bad like mommy and show me the kind of clown me out. I know she look like me about one dance.
Yeah, it kind of does. Look.
I was
You could have gone outside. You could have gone outside with this.
Could have gone get her, come back in. Show me. Come look.
After all I'm work.
You know, you didn't do too bad. Guys, tell me how you think she did in the comments section.
Rate me out of 10, guys.
Out of 10.
She feel like I don't know what I'm doing.
No, I didn't think you'd have like a 3.
You thought I would have been a 3?
That's not bad.
Thank you, Shami. Be on it. Thank you very much. Thank you, Shami. That's why I like Shami. Guys, you need to rate it because should not give him my props.
No, for true.
See?
You can't go on, man. You can't go on. This is my best. This is the best. You know, like how you have somebody else do your makeup challenge. This is the best one so far. Mommy, they turned me in a cloud. Show me. Show me, they turned me in a divine. They
What
turned me in a...
child? You got to make up tonight.
Book me! Book me, guys!
God, it really not bad. I did not expect it.
Thanks. Thanks. Hello, my pop it off. What you doing so?
That's it for the friend does my makeup challenge today. There wasn't much challenge for her. She had an idea of what to do. So that's really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this challenge. Yeah, that's it for today. Let me know the other challenges you'd like to see. And comment them down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And she'll be in more mukbangs. So yeah. Bye.
Bye.